Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to reset Roblox password without email or phone number. So let's begin. So here we are at the login menu of Roblox. Now from here what we're going to do is click on forget password or username. So I have clicked forget password, and as you can see they directly require my email and there are no other options right over here. So in this case what you need to do is scroll down and find an option called help. So go to help. Now as you can see we are in Roblox support page, so from here we are going to click on Roblox account because I need help with my account. Now here I have an option which is I forgot my password, so let's click on this option. So here they are telling me what I can do if I have forgotten my password, and there are lots of options like verifying email and others, but since we don't have access to our email or phone number, so we're going to scroll all the way down and then we are going to select the option called need more help, contact support here. Now here they want us to fill our birth date, so let's do it. Now after filling the birth date we have the contact us form. So in contact us form you need to enter your username. If you have forgotten your username you don't need to fill it as it is optional. And then you need your first name, which is also optional, and after first name you need to enter your email address. It's not your game email address, it's the email address that the support team wants to contact you with. So enter your email address here, then confirm the email address, and then in issues you have to select which issue you are having problem on. So let's select the device type. As I'm in PC, so I will select PC. After that type help category. So let's select account hacked or can't log in. Now help subcategory type. We're going to select forgot password. Now here we need to describe our issue. So I'm going to write down my message. You can copy my message exactly the way I wrote it. So this is the entire message, and after that support team will reach you via email and they will want additional information from you to reset your password. And in this process you will not need the email address or phone number, but you will need an email address for the support team to contact you with. So guys, that's how you can recover your Roblox account without phone number or email address. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.